Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday Round 2, and Round 2 is off the charts. The name of this watch face is called Gelleon Burgundy Edition. Now this actually comes in two more colors, which is very nice, black and blue. And this is a nice dress-up watch face and or casual, but in always on mode, you'll be able to tell your time at a glance with no problem. It's in a black and white theme. Now, when the watch face is on, here's where the beauty stands out about this watch face. Up at the top, you get your analog clock. Come all the way down to the bottom, you're going to get your digital time. You also get info on your battery percentage to the right. Up under the analog clock, you're going to get your day and your date. You're going to get everything you can possibly need for this watch face. Now, you get your heart rate, you're going to be able to get your steps and calories, but you have to double tap, and it's going to ask you for the term of use. If you agree, hit the check mark, and then close it out, and then it's going to give you your information. So you have to give it permission in order for that to happen. But let's do this again with the double tap, and if you hit this one and close it, it glows in the dark. I thought this was definitely an awesome look. I thought you all would like it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is this a download or not? I'm going to say it is, and I'm telling you, it's affordable in the Gear Manager store. Check it out for yourself. All right, you all, that's going to be it for round 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Hoping you're having the greatest weekend ever. And if so, listen, hit the like button on the way out. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. All right, you all, I will see you again at the next video. Take care.